favorite fruits. This is the Jujube ziziphus. This is an absolutely delicious medicinal fruit. Once the most grown fruit in all of China, but mm, mm, when it's still green and just starting to turn mahogany on the tree, they're crisp like apples, juicy, very sweet. This cultivar is actually called sugar bear and lives up to its name. It also has hints of caramel and almond flavor to it. Very good. Additionally, this is also very revered for helping balance out and smooth your energies. But it's an edible landscape all-star. As a small tree, it's very disease and insect resistant. We're in mid-September, mid-late September now in the mid-Atlantic region, and there's no disease on this, which is phenomenal. Usually fruit trees in this area get all funked out by now. This is thriving. It's growing in a very hot, dry, rubbly rock site. It will take near desert conditions. The small leaf is a good indicator that it will take a lot of dryness and still thrive. There we go. As they begin to mature on the tree, they'll begin to caramelize. They'll begin to condense their sugars and become what's known as the Chinese date. Oh, yeah. You can also take these and stew them in like honey and make like a natural candy, a natural sugar. Think about that for Halloween. Some real candy, real healthy candy. These are so good. I can eat so many of these, and I'm going to because I'm really hungry. And this tree is absolutely loaded. Highly recommend planting the jujubes. Lots of them.